The number of deductions for Maine Energy companies increased rapidly just before the afternoon. Portland, Maine. A powerful storm, which brought high wind and heavy rain on Monday, left tens of thousands of Maines in the dark. Pine Tree State's deduction reports from the two largest public service providers exceeded 200,000 combined just before the afternoon. As of 12:38, Verslant reported that week 14,862 customers. The majority of the cuts Brewer in 3,400 and 1,755 Old Town. Central Mainine Power Dates began to rise after 10 in the morning and 248,321 customers reportedly. Weak from 12:48. Northern Washington County and Eastern Aroostook District, which serves the East Maine Electric Cooperative, as of 11:45 reported 2,848 deductions. CMP spokesman Jon Breed said that the Public Service Company has prepared days in advance and can secure about 400 crews from Canada and Rhode Island to help Maine. However, the winds cannot go up until the winds fall below 30 miles an hour. Breed said this storm looks like a Christmas storm last year, so they expect 2 to 3 days full restoration for this storm. He wrote a recipe for disaster for the storm conditions: trees and power lines, hot air, snowfall, soil melting, leading to root systems, and solved most of the floor to creating. The high wind is an excellent installation for overthrowing in gusts. Snowmelter heavy rains led to a rapid increase in the flood along the inner beach. Especially concerned about low areas. Roads adjacent to rivers, streams, stone. Seaweed should not be reopened until it is removed. The storm is not expected to be cleaned until late on Monday evening. See the stories below for the latest air forecast. Here is what you see around the state.